Hello, and thank you for watching the Kempler design vlog. Today we're talking about how a lot of people are using lithium-ion batteries for their window treatments. One of the factors that comes up though is that a lot of people have really big windows, and the way it used to be is you had not just one but two battery packs, and then you had a cable that would help attach both of them. This one to one end, this to the other, and then this one into the main connection to the motors. So what a lot of people are doing now is changing them out to lithium-ion batteries. That is just a great solution because they're rechargeable. And that way, like these, let's say they would last for 8 months or something like that. With the other ones, let's say they last 5 because it's only one battery instead of 2 sets. All you have to do is charge it. It's super easy. So what I'm going to do is show you how to do it, and if you need help with it and you want assistance, then you can let us know and we can send out batteries to you so that you can change them on your Hunter Douglas PowerView system. But pay attention now as I do the work. I don't know if you can see me, you can see my hand, but I'm going to be replacing this motor with a lithium-ion battery. So the first thing you do is just take the old battery, there's a little end clip on it. Depending on how old your system is, just comes down like that, unplugs. Then I'm going to create a little extra space here, just slide that down. And then you're going to take your battery. It came in 2 separate sections, but I'm just going to disconnect them just like this. So this came in one section, this came in another, and this one came with 2 little screws. They need to be flatheads, like this. That will make sure that it doesn't interfere. And then this is a little awkward, just because of the space I have here. I take the cord, determine where the location is, and then I'm going to mark with the screw where the hole's going to go. There's a little mark you might see up there. And using a Phillips head driver, can't see, there we go. Go into the hole. Little suggestion, make sure you push hard when you put these in because the screws that they send have a tendency to strip out if you don't give it firm push like I just did. Then you take this, goes in one side, snaps in, and then connect it. You'll notice that the light, you probably didn't notice it, but right here there's a little light and it just lit up. And I'm going to press it just to make sure it works. It does. And back up to test. And that's how you change to lithium-ion batteries from Hunter Douglas when you have the old AA battery system. Thanks for watching the Kempler Design vlog.